Hello, Mr. Geislard here, and we're going to be looking at section 11.8, or homework number 8 in chapter 11, where we're going to use the limit definition to find the derivative. So I'm going to start off by always putting in the limit as x approaches 0, and it's always going to be over h. So then we have f of x plus h. So that's just going to be 7 times x plus h instead of x, and then minus 5 minus f of x, which is just going to be 7x minus 5. So that's what I'm going to start off with. Now I'm going to write that up here. The limit as h approaches 0 of 7 times x plus h minus 5 minus 7x minus 5 over h. Now, I can't just put 0 in for h, because if I have 0 on the bottom, that will just be undefined. So I have to find a way to factor that h and factor something out of the top and cancel out that h. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to start by simplifying the top. So the limit as h approaches 0 of 7x plus 7h, I'm just distributing there, minus 5. And again, I'm just distributing this minus sign, so that'll be minus 7x plus 5 over h. Now, if you've done this correctly, you should get everything to cancel out, so positive 5, negative 7x, positive 7x, except for terms with h in them. They should all have an h once you're done canceling. So what we're going to do is just the limit as h approaches 0 of 7h over h. Well, my h's cancel out, so I'm going to have the limit as h approaches 0 is equal, of 7 is just equal to 7. Because there's no h's to put that 0 in for. So in this case, my f prime of x is going to equal 7. And then here, it doesn't matter what value of x it is, it's always just going to equal 7.